Jason from Intricate Coatings here. I'm going to show you how to repair a chip in our epoxy floor. Now we cover lifetime warranty, so these things happen, accidents do happen, and we repair them for free. I'll show you how to do that now. Alright, I'm all prepped here, ready to go for this repair. I have my vacuum, HEPA filter, and handheld grinder. First we have to get rid of the loose stuff here on this chip, get a good bond for the next epoxy. Okay, this repair is rather small, so you want to be careful not to grind too much of the surface around it, just enough so you know your new epoxy repair will adhere. Okay, I have everything I need to start the epoxy repair. Obviously you need your drill, you need a mixing cup, you need your flakes for this color floor, you need your two-part epoxy that you used before, a brush, and I use accelerant during these quick repairs so that they dry fast, so I'm not here 2 different days doing it, and acetone, of course, to clean up any spills. Okay, this epoxy that I use is a 3-to-1. Obviously you need to use the 3 and then the 1. 3 parts A. I'm going to stop at the 1 since it's such a small repair. And then you use the next 1. In my case, it's a 3-to-1 of part B. Mix your epoxy well, roughly 2 minutes. Okay, the secret sauce to this is the accelerant. This speeds up the drying time. Mix your accelerant in, roughly 2 more minutes. Okay, after getting your epoxy ready, I use acetone on the chip, just in case there's anything that's hidden underneath the epoxy that we didn't know about. Some chips could be water, some could be oils in the concrete that leached out that didn't get fixed in the beginning, or it could be an accident from somebody hitting something sharp on it. Better safe than sorry. Okay, you want to dip your brush into your epoxy, just a little amount. We're only repairing what chipped and staying very close to the edge. Once you get your epoxy finished, you can start adding your flakes. Okay, I've waited the appropriate time for the epoxy to cure on this repair. For the sake of time, I didn't show you making my clear coat. Now this is a 1-to-1 mix, self-explanatory, nothing added. Takes about 2.5 hours, 3 hours to dry. It'll be ready by the time the customer gets home to park the car. And I'm going to start with just a very small amount of clear coat.